Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making apple cider brined lemon pepper wings. I know y'all tired of chicken, but listen, I gotta promote my spices, and it is what it is. You're gonna need some wings. I have about 10. You're gonna need apple cider, brown sugar, and some salt. So in this bowl, I'm gonna add my brown sugar. We're getting straight to the point. I'm not wasting no time. Shake up your apple cider. Everything in this video came from Walmart except for my spice, of course. You can order that at www.mishascorner.com. I have 2 spices, lemon pepper and spicy girl. You then want to add your apple cider and your salt to the bowl. You're going to mix until the sugar dissolves just like this. Next, you're just going to finish it off, top it off with a bottle of water. I thought I would have needed more, but I only had 10 wings, so the 1 bottle was enough. You want to mix that in, get everything combined, just like this. Then you're going to pour it right over the wings, pop it in the refrigerator, and let it marinate or brine for about 10 hours to up to overnight. Alright, so you want to pour that brine liquid off, and then you're going to rinse your wings off just a tad, just to get all that extra salt off of there, because we are going to season these. So you want to, rinse the salt off. The brine is already seeped into the chicken, so you don't have to worry about anything. So yes, here we go. Lemon pepper, it's lit. Lemon pepper, period. Now we're gonna season the wings just like this. It's so easy, you guys. Like, man, you guys should watch my live so y'all could really get the tea and the backstory of my spices. So you want to preheat your oven to about 375. Usually I bake my wings on like high temp, but the brine has sugar in it and also the cider, so you don't want to burn your wings, So then you want to pop it into the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour until they're nice and golden and perfect and ready to go. Look how beautiful my spice is on there. Look at these wings, you guys. Oh my god, they look so good. My wings took about 45 minutes to an hour, and they're just like, seriously, they're just so perfect. And what I'm going to do is transfer these wings to a plate, and then I'm going to pour the juices on the pan right over the wings just like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, man. It's so easy and simple, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.